Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking your Huawei Y6 and opening Settings. This is where System Controls live. Once inside, go straight to Accessibility because voice helpers are managed there. You want to locate entries named Voice Assistant, Talkback, or Voice Control. Different builds use different labels. Make sure you read the short description under each item so you know which service is active. If you see Talkback active, proceed to tap it. If Voice Assistant is listed, select that instead and prepare to switch it off. You're now on the Assistant Settings page. Press the toggle or stop button to disable it. When prompted to confirm, accept because the change will restore normal touch behavior. If the assistant controls gestures, you may need to follow the short on-screen instructions to regain touch control. Do that calmly. Make sure to use your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern when required to authorize the change. Once the toggle flips to off, test a few gestures and taps to confirm the assistant is inactive. You finish by rebooting the phone to ensure changes persist. Restart clears lingering services. After reboot, try basic navigation and speak the assistant wake phrase to confirm it stays silent. If the assistant reappears, inspect accessibility shortcuts and disable any shortcut that triggers the service. Sometimes volume key combos or side buttons are assigned. As a last resort, reset accessibility settings to defaults. This removes custom shortcuts, but keep
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.